Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to change country or location on OmeTv on iPhone. So first things first for this is you need to go ahead and try to install first the OmeTv onto your iPhone. So you need to download that onto your Apple Store, and then once you're already in, just click on to open for that. So there are a lot of options. You could join as a guest, continue with Apple, or continue with Facebook. But either way, you could go ahead and try to change the country or location for that one. So you'll just need to head onto this profile icon in here. And as you can see, even though we are joined as guests in here, you could actually see that there is a location for that. So we're going to go ahead and click onto the edit option. And here onto the edit, you should be able to see the country. So we'll just have to click onto that. And then you should be able to choose onto the different options that it offers. So you'll just have to choose the country or location that you want to use onto your OmeTv before you could start. So for example, you want to go ahead and try to change this to France. So we're going to click onto that. You could also favorite the country in here that you want to use. And then right after, you should be able to use OmeTv already onto that location that you have changed. And that's just basically it onto how to change country or location on OmeTv on iPhone. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.